You can find it from any electronic shop. Like for example, you can go to the Sayyid, you can go to other electronic shop near your area. उनको बताओ कि Arduino चाहिए, Arduino UNO. Now students, how it works? Exactly बना सकते हो, मैं तरीका बता कैसे बनाऊंगा. How it works? For example, I was telling Nikki, stand up, sit down, stand up, sit down. I was basically using low and high. Now here I'm sending the same commands, low and high, for an LED. When I say low, it will be off. If I say high, then it will blank. For example, now see, I am uploading the code. Okay, you see, it's done uploading. This is a simple code where I use a setup in void function. Setup in loop. What is the function of setup? Setup क्या करता है कि आपकी initialization के लिए काम करता है, coding initialize करने for example, you have to mention there. Loop आपको पता है का मतलब एक complete path हो गए थे. So loop is continuous. For example, if I'm using loop, so I will use for continuity कि आपने ये जो blanking हो रही है continuously होनी चाहिए, stop नहीं करनी चाहिए. फिर I'm coming to you. ठीक है, अब जैसे मैंने कोड अपलोड कर, now look at the code क्या करेगा. For example, यहाँ पे मैंने mention करा कि pin number 2 and pin number 5 जो कि voltage की पिन है, ये मैंने कनेक्ट करनी है. How it will work? Now you can see. You see, it's blanking for 5 seconds. It's on for 5 seconds and it will wait, delay for 1 second. You see the blanking. We can use this, इसको हम change भी कर सकते हैं. Very well on. आपकी मर्जी है कि आप किस तरह कर रहे हो. You see, now we are blanking the LED. How it works? I'm not doing. Arduino is doing, and Arduino is the brain of a robot. So this is called automation. The automated code here. I'm not doing it. See, if I place it here, it will be continuous because of the loop function which I use. Alright, children. समझ आ गए सबको? यहाँ पे देखो, we have some other slides in which as a definition and history of Arduino. Yes, please.
Sir, Arduino को लैपटॉप से कनेक्ट करके कंप्यूटर से कनेक्ट करके कमांड देना पड़ेगा. कमांड देने के बाद उसको उससे डिस्कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं.
Yes, you can do it. For example, if I code how this code will work, like for example, if I'm blanking this, what I will do, I will just connect. Now I save the code, it will be saved. As I delete it or I change it. अब यहाँ पे ये सेव हो गया. What I will do, I will just connect a wire, a battery, which I have the battery we use for the previous projects. We will use a terminals, like it called the chip of the battery, and in it has a pin for the Arduino. We will use that, and you can use anywhere. Like you will take your Arduino to your home, your places, like everywhere, without connectivity to the laptop, because you saved the code. रोबोट को आपने बताया कि ये करना है, he will do it. The Arduino will do it. आपने just power देना उसको, वो power कौन देगा? बैटरी देगी. Alright students.